Hours after the Supreme Court asked the Uttar Pradesh government to file a status report on the Lakhimpur deaths, the UP police has said the Union Minister's son, Ashish Mishra, accused of murder in the farmer deaths at Lakhimpur, has been summoned for questioning. Two people who were at the location at the incident have been arrested. This is the first time that the police has asked for questioning of Ashish Mishra, and they had in fact put out a notice outside the Union Minister's home, summoning his son for questioning at 10 o'clock in the morning today. However, he wasn't seen at 10 o'clock in the morning. He did not appear for questioning. The two men who have been arrested have been identified as Love Kush and Ashish Pandey. The two were in the same vehicle that ran over a journalist and farmers, is what the police have said. 2 gun cartridges have been recovered from them. An 8-member UP police team will investigate the violence that took place at the Lakhimpur Kheri. So the big question being, where is Ashish Mishra, the son of Ajay Mishra, who has been asked to come for questioning. There was a notice that was pasted outside the Union Minister's house. This is the Ajay Mishra's house, but no sign of Ashish Mishra yet.
इसका कोई देखिए, ऐसा है, भागने का कोई काम नहीं होगा, फेस करा जाएगा, एसआईटी की जांच में पूरा सहयोग किया जाएगा, इसमें कहीं कोई वो नहीं है।
तक का समय था, फिर क्यों नहीं पहुंचे?
थोड़ा बहुत लेट हो जाता है आदमी आने जाने में।
तक हम उम्मीद कर सकते हैं कि आशीष
अब देखिए, ये मैं अंदर से आ रहा हूँ, अब वो रास्ते में कहीं नहीं ठीक है, जो भी क्या मतलब देखिए, जैसे मैं ये टाइम का मैं कोई पाबंद नहीं हूँ, मगर ये मैं जरूर कह सकता हूँ कि जैसे आएंगे पूरा सहयोग होगा। एसआईटी जांच के लिए सबसे पहले वहीं पहुँचेंगे।
वकीलों के साथ लगातार कांटेक्ट में है?
अब ये मैं अभी नहीं बता सकता।
सर, आप उनके भाई हैं, परिवार में
तो ये अभी बताना मेरे लिए मुश्किल है, क्योंकि मैं भी यहीं पे हूँ, आप भी यहीं पे हैं।
तो हम ये मान सकते हैं कि आज वो पहुँचेंगे? जी
बिल्कुल पहुँचेंगे। अब देखिए, पहुँचेंगे जैसे ही लखीमपुर आएंगे, सबसे पहले वो जांच एसआईटी टीम के सामने ही जाएंगे।
मतलब वो कहाँ है? कहीं बाहर है?
हाँ, यही है, लखीमपुर में ही है। ये हम नहीं बता पाएंगे अभी कहाँ पे हैं।
Well, we have my colleague Alok Pandey joining us. Alok, the big question of the hour is, where is the son of Ajay Mishra?
No, I think and the even bigger question is how this is not a mockery of law and order and the entire justice mechanism. Because here you have a situation where a relative, at least what appears to be a relative, is on camera saying that he is in Lakhimpur. Whenever he appears in front of the SIT, he will cooperate. But is this an option? I mean, is this what? I mean, this is not a game, right? The man should be here. He was summoned at 10 a.m., but he has skipped the summons. And I just want to show you some shots from where I am right now. This is the crime branch office of Lakhimpur. This is inside the police lines here. The DIG in charge of the probe, Upendra Agarwal, and he is an IPS officer, has come here at 10, and he is sitting inside and waiting for an accused, a murder accused no less, to come and show his face so that he can be interrogated. Who is this man who is accused of murder? This is not a normal person. This is the son of the Minister of State for Home in the Union government. The Minister of State for Home and of course the Home Minister are directly responsible for the police and law and order across the country. So the son of the man who is in charge of law and order in the country has not even bothered to appear for a police summons. This is the state of affairs as it goes in this case, which is a terrible case about 5 people, 4 farmers and a journalist being crushed under the wheels of this man, the son of the Home Minister, who has accepted that the Thar SUV that crushed the farmers was his, but has been absconding for 5 days now, despite the fact that a murder case has been filed against him, and also the fact that at the end of the day, he has chosen to skip these summons, and his relative is conveniently giving a soundbite again, saying that he is very much in Lakhimpur and that he will appear whenever he appears, quote unquote, as if that is an option. Whenever he appears in front of the SIT, he will cooperate. If this is the kind of leeway that one can get in the murder case, then it really tells you a story about the law and order mechanism in the state, and I guess the collapse of it when it comes to a high profile accused, because all that the police and the administration here seem to be doing is trying to shield this man who, like I said, and we've been repeating and we will continue to repeat it, because that is the story at the end of the day. The man is the son of the Union Minister in charge of policing and law and order in this country, and he does not even respect the law enough to come to a police station or to come to an office where he has been summoned for questioning in a murder case no less. And
will the police
that is what is happening right now.
declare him an absconder? That is my second question.
Well, it's difficult to say. There are 2 or 3 things to do. If he does not appear till evening, then they probably have the option of maybe going again with folded hands, because that's what they seem to be doing, pasting another notice and saying we are giving you another 24 hours. The more aggressive way to do it would be to get a warrant issued against him for disobeying the summons and then go ahead and arrest him. But that of course depends on the mindset of the police and what they want to do and what instructions perhaps they are receiving from their top brass, because at the moment it does seem that the only instruction that has been given out is to shield this high profile murder accused, because otherwise you would not have a situation where a man who is accused of murder and has been summoned for questioning would not even bother to make an appearance 1 hour after the deadline for that summons expired.